Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you when you are going to run your Python project in VBS Code, then it just runs in output, how you are going to change that one. Now I'm going to just make one new file, for example python run.py, which is the extension of the Python, and I'm going to create the file, and here I'm going to just print, and that is like hello world, simple, that program. And when I'm going to run that program, you can see that it is now just printing that in output, but I need that in terminal. And what is the reason? For example, if I'm going to just input, and in input when I'm going to say that user maybe, and then input maybe password or pass, simply I can write user and pass. And once I run that program, and you see that it is user, but right now I'm writing something, but it is not working. I cannot just input the value in the output terminal or in output section, but I need to just add that in terminal, because in terminal I can just write that one. Okay, what I'm going to do, I will come, instead of clicking on the run code or on that play button, we are going to just click on that small button, and here you can just check that run the Python file in dedicated terminal. It means that it has its own terminal, and you can see that it is the terminal. When I'm going to click it, it opens that in dedicated terminal. Now you can see that the user, I can write for example Jamshed, and the password, for example I write professional tutorial, and you cannot do that in the, for example, output. And that is how easily you can just change. Now again, let me just write cls to clear, and once you are going to just run that, because you have selected now run Python in dedicated terminal, therefore every time you are going to run your file, it will runs in that dedicated terminal, and you can just write that anything which you want. I hope you got the idea. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.